Hi everyone, it is Sandra from Midwest Charm. We are a small little storefront boutique in Pine City, Minnesota, and we have upcycled, repurposed vintage furniture and home decor along with some great gifts. We have a little bit of everything here, and I'm going to take you on a shop tour. It is September of 2023, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of our store. All right, guys, we're gonna just do a quick walkthrough. We have our candles up front here in our gift section. These are Clean Haven Naturals. It's all soy candles. Her scents are absolutely amazing. We are so happy to be carrying these, and these sell through fast. This is some gift area that we are getting ready for the holiday season with some brand new mugs. These are all super cute. These are like etched into here. They're super cute. We have these little animal mugs. These have little socks inside that are super duper soft. And then up here we have all sorts of fun repurposed. Do you guys see this little mouse? If you watched any of my unboxing on Facebook this past week, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with those little mice. They're so cute. They're little felted guys. And this is the window, and I'm not going to take you outside to show you the other side of the window that's facing the public just because it gets so noisy out there with the traffic in the morning. This is our basket section. We have some of our more girly stuff on top of this cute little pink dresser. I usually try to keep this really full of whites and clear glass and pinks, and my walls are a little empty right now. We are coming up on our fall scenic shop hop, and we have our fall market on Main coming up, so we're gonna be really trying to get everything fixed up this weekend for it. Got lots of pumpkins left. This is our checkout area. This is one of our hand-dipped flannels that is available. This is also our Pine City, Minnesota shirts. We also have them in a tote bag and in the flour sack towels. Our other tote bags are Midwest Charm and Shop Small. And the Midwest Charm we have in teal and in black. And then over here by our front door entryway, we have more flour sack towels in all sorts of different designs. Lots of greenery, and usually in this area you can also find some vintage rolling pins. We've got them in here and here. We've got a lot of little farm animals in this area. Super cute. Our other window, this window on the other side has a lot of Halloween in it right now. It's really cute, but again, I can't, it's really hard to go out there, really hard. We have lots of blankets in the store right now. And obviously the fall, we will be bringing in Christmas soon. I know people, don't shoot me, please. Oh, did you guys remember these? I think I unveiled them on Facebook. I don't remember doing a video of them. These were blue, like a bright blue. This piece is gorgeous. Would make a great linen cabinet. Oh, and this piece is beautiful too. It's a nice charcoaly, dark gray, not quite black. This is the first thing you see when you walk in. This is just all sorts of goodies. And right now, obviously, we have this in fall decor. And we have everything from magnets to little mirrors, little knickknackies, greenery, all sorts of fun items. And then we have our Thankful, Grateful, Blessed flour sack towels. All right, and then back this way, we have our flannel station. So this houses all of the hand-dipped flannels that we have in stock right now. We have all different sizes from extra small to, I believe, 4 or 5X. And these are all kind of mixed in here. We're gonna have a table of them out for the market too. And then these nightstands are still here, and I don't know how they are so stinking pretty. We have a couple mirrors back here, so if you're trying on any flannels, you can definitely see how they look. And this is a basket that is just filled with different pillows right now. There's one throw on there, but the rest of it's all pillows. And we have more mirrors. And I don't know how much, no, actually quite a bit back in this area has changed too. Lots of knick-knacky, fun stuff. This usually has frames down here. Our blanket ladder. I'm gonna usually do this room last. Let's go ahead and go in here first. This is our DIY room. I have always a window in here with transfers on it so you guys can see how they look. This is our Roy Cycled decoupage area. Her papers are phenomenal. We do have a little tiny bit of Christmas coming in, but those are actually for my windows when we switch those out. But look at all this good stuff, you guys. I have to put out, we've got more stencils in and I have to get those out yet. This is part of the IOD Christmas release and what we have left. So if anybody is still looking, I do have a few things left, and I can order more of the stamps and some of the molds. This has got a few little things that you can DIY yourself. We have some of our country chic stuff here, some hand-cut tags if you're looking for them, including holiday ones, just some vintage clothespins. We have paint brushes, waxes. Oh, I don't even have my light on in this today. Let me get this. There we go. We have our paint. And this has got like sealers and glazes. This is waxes and hemp oils. And all sorts of paint in here. I'm gonna move this chair. This area is got some fun stuff. So we have some spindles, some boards or signs. This has vintage buttons and thread and bobbins. This area has some DIY stuff in it too that you can do on your own. I've got to find a home for these 3 items. I'm not sure why they're in here right now. Over here, we have those little tiny tartlets down here that I had used for magnets, and we have twine and more tags and some ephemera. And here is some staining wax stuff that is beautiful. I've used this on a couple things. There's some glitter, some knobs, our air dry clay embreers, all sorts of inks. We have 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 colors of ink in right now for IOD. We have our stone gray, turmeric, china blue, white, black, newgrass, and tomato, and then some ink pads. This here has Scrabble tiles, and it has bingo numbers and different little bingo chips, some trays for the bingo letters, little bags to house them in, our Midwest Charm shirts. I need to clean this up, and a transfer that needs hung up. We have paint inlays and transfers, and we are pretty much fully stocked for, I mean, we don't carry the whole line, but we have a great amount of them that you definitely should be able to find what you're looking for. And if I don't carry it, I have no problem ordering that in. Our molds, the stamps, and there are extras in here of this broken, which is why it was down. This one is a retired one, but we have more in here, including the envelopes for the stamps, and then we have the thin mounts. Oh, and the chicken coop, you guys. are the chicken nest ears. I love that. My coffee bar needs cleaned up. We're kind of bringing in some more Christmas, so it's kind of a mess right there. Don't look. An old slate chalkboard. This window is so cool. I love it. And then on into this room's a little bit packed right now. We are working on getting a few pieces in here moved out. The cubbies are gonna be leaving. And so then we can spread this out in here a little bit more. I love these. Oh, that beautiful corner hutch, you guys. And I don't know how that wicker chair is still here. It is so cute. And this piece is pretty new and just hasn't been, you know, well loved and talked about yet. Another blanket rack. I think that will be going outside come the fall market. So there you go. 10-minute tour of our little store and everything we have. Let me turn this around. Please like, subscribe, and share, and let me know what you think of our cute little shop here in Pine City, Minnesota. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.